It's Monday, 2nd of April, and this is Business Video Updates, issue number 2. In this week's news, we cover the following video stories and the tips, tactics, techniques and strategies of 2 video marketing experts. First up, YouTube rolls out its direct-to-on-site video ad service for small businesses. Secondly, LinkedIn takes the plunge with B2B, business-to-business video. Then we show Sean Cannell giving tips on how to grow your YouTube business. And finally, Derral Eaves offers some of his best YouTube tips. Those stories are coming up right after this. This is issue number 2 of Business Video Updates, where we summarise the most important news in the fast-moving worlds of video marketing, SEO and social media. Alright then, let's get started. News item number 1. YouTube rolls out its direct-to-on-site video ad service for small businesses. In exciting YouTube news this week, YouTube are rolling out their direct-to-on-site video ad service to over 170 cities in the United States. A trial run in 6 major cities has obviously proved successful, and many more small businesses can benefit from taking up this service. This service is available to any business except those involved in drugs, alcohol, gambling services, sex products and guns. One business that has already trialled this service saw a business yield of up to 13 times its video ad spend, whilst revenue more than doubled. YouTube says you can have created for you a 30-second video ad, including editing, as long as you spend at least $350 on YouTube ads. The service involves liaising with a videographer to create your script and plan your filming. Secondly, it involves shooting the video on site and then undertaking the editing off-site, which can take up to 10 days. And lastly, you'll have a Google AdWords expert helping you to reach your target audience. Considering you can pay well over $1,000 for filming a video, this package looks a great deal. This service is only available in the United States, but watch this space for further announcements of when this service will be rolled out to other countries around the world. Full details on this story can be obtained by clicking on the View More button in the attachment, which you'll find in the description box at the bottom of this video. News item number 2. LinkedIn takes the plunge with B2B, business-to-business video. The business and professionals' favourite social media platform is taking the plunge and allowing videos to be shown on its business pages. Regarded as a major improvement for B2B marketing, you can now target your videos, referred to as sponsored content, to your target audience by job title, skills, company and industry. Coupled with a matched audiences facility and the tracking conversion tool, this is a major step forward for LinkedIn and marketers. Beta testing has shown that LinkedIn members watch up to 3 times more video ads than static content. For more details, click on the View More button in the attachment, which you'll find in the description box underneath this video. And by getting the full video ads set up on LinkedIn by going to linkedin.com/video ads. You'll also find the details at the bottom of this screen. News item number 3. How to start growing on YouTube, Sean Cannell style. In this video, Sean Cannell of Video Influencers fame gives some of his best tips for building a YouTube channel, including getting views and obtaining subscribers. Ideal if you're just about to start your channel or if you've stagnated and require a boost to your efforts. To watch the video, click the View More button on the attachment in the description box underneath this video. News item number 4. Derral Eaves' best YouTube tips for creators. In this video, Derral Eaves offers some of his best tips to YouTube beginners on how to grow their YouTube business. Carlos Gill recently recorded an exclusive interview with Derral Eaves where he provided some great video marketing tactics. To watch the video, click on the View More button in the attachment, which you'll find in the description box underneath this video. Okay, so that's what's been happening this week in the world of video marketing, SEO and social media. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button at the bottom of this video so you get access to the Video Cashflow channel, and so that next week you'll get the inside scoop on the latest developments and news items presented by Business Video Updates to keep you and your business on the leading edge of digital marketing. If you enjoyed this issue of Business Video Updates, please hit the like and share buttons. We'd really appreciate it. Are you still watching and want more? Check out last week's Business Video Updates by clicking on one of the screens at the bottom of this video. Thanks ever so much for watching. Until next time, bye for now.